Every so often we are told that all CAD software are the same, so be happy and stick to what you have. With this trailer assembly as our example, we will look in this presentation why not all 3D CAD software are the same. We will focus on how SOLIDWORKS addresses the main design processes and challenges you probably face in your trailer design, but in a significantly more productive way. For this quick look into welded structure design, we will be designing a new chassis for this trailer. Traditionally, welded structures comprise parts trimmed with assembly features. This quickly leads to potential design management nightmares. Large number of parts from individual segments which may or may not be the same, management of profile sections, data accuracy, etc. With SOLIDWORKS, welded structures are designed on the part level. Structural profiles are inserted onto selected sketch segments to form welded frame elements. Within the same interface, zooming right in to edit the orientation and placement of the welded profile is easy, as it's determining how the profile intersection should behave. No multiple pop-up dialog boxes, and no third-party plugins to deal with. The cut list tabulates welded structure-related data such as the corresponding cut lengths and angles as the profiles are added. It also updates automatically with design changes. Additionally, structural members with resulting overlapping sections are easily trimmed by selecting the necessary reference end faces. In addition to standard structural profiles, customizable end caps and gussets are easily inserted, further simplifying the welded structure design process. Speaking of cut lists, on top of automatically capturing and updating the profile cut lengths and angles, additional data, for example, material details, can be easily added by simply editing the cut list properties rather than an external data file. As for drawings, with a new drawing template active, we simply drag and drop the required views from the view palette, and using the default cut list template, easily generate the cut list. Additional cut list parameters can be effortlessly linked to a newly inserted column. No convoluted table editing steps to execute here. We are not limited to standard profiles in SOLIDWORKS. Non-standard profiles, and not necessarily structural, are easily added to the library. Beginning with a sketched profile, we just need to save it to the correct location. It's a simple process and no complex editing steps to deal with. Just like working with structural profiles, sheet metal profile insertion is simply a matter of choosing the relevant profile and sketch segments to use. This applies to orientation and placement as well. A newly created profile can be easily converted to a sheet metal part within the same environment. All that's needed here is to select which bands are to be included in the sheet metal part. No need to step through multiple dialog boxes here. And from this, the flat pattern is easily obtained. Returning to the trailer assembly, assembly level drawing views are easily generated by drag and drop as well. To top this off, the assembly bill of materials can be easily toggled to reflect either components only or with an indented cut list. Once again, no need for complicated and time-consuming table editing steps. Finally, balloons and additional annotations to complete the drawing are easily and intuitively added. And with that, we come to the end of our trailer chassis design. However, design, as we know, is only part of the engineering design process. What if you wanted to determine whether your design could take its intended load without building a physical prototype for testing? Or presenting design ideas to prospective buyers before committing to a build? From photorealistic images to simulation solutions, whichever route you choose to go from here, SOLIDWORKS has a solution to help you get to market faster than ever before. And so a quick recap of what we have covered. Instead of traditionally tedious part and assembly processes to create welded structures, SOLIDWORKS affords you a significantly more efficient process to designing your products. Available out of the box, SOLIDWORKS Weldments ensures your deliverables are real-time accurate, from its fully associative drawings to easily customizable cut lists, with the latter providing the correct cut length and angle data required for manufacturing. Creating new profiles is effortless, as is sheet metal design. This gives you the flexibility to effortlessly adapt SOLIDWORKS to your welded structure design needs quicker. Beyond design, SOLIDWORKS offers you a complete suite of engineering solutions to help ensure your designs can be easily validated, documented, and presented to prospective customers before you build your first physical prototype. In closing, I would like to emphasize, not all 3D CAD software are the same. With SOLIDWORKS, you can achieve more design with less effort. So isn't it time you switched? Call your SOLIDWORKS value-added reseller to find out how.